Hello mga ka-praise and worship. This is our guitar tutorial for By Your Love by CCF Exalt Team. Okay, and the chords involved is F sharp, F sharp, okay, you can look at that, and then B, F sharp, B, and then D sharp minor. So 6th fret, ayan siya. D sharp minor, and then B flat minor. Okay, so ito po, B flat minor, and then G sharp minor. Okay, G sharp minor, then F sharp over B flat. So this is F sharp over B flat, itong tatlong string sa taas, and then dinidad string ko lang po yung 3 strings sa baba. Yan. Anyway, it's passing chord siya later. Parang ganun. Yan. So F sharp over B flat, and then C sharp. Okay, so yung intro po niya is parang walang masyadong guitar part, just a lead part. Yung so parang ganun po. So I'll show it to you. So it's on the 7th fret. Okay, so yun po. Yan. And then, dalawang beses na ganun. And yung may kanta na po, By Your Love. So it starts with F sharp. And then B. Bale yung strumming po, pwede po siyang down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Or pwede rin naman pong puro pababa lang. No? Whichever suits you best as long as nasa timing po. Okay? So, sa akin po, madalas ang ginagawa ko is yung puro pababa lang siya. Okay? So, it's F sharp. And then, tigwa 1 count po ng D sharp minor, B flat minor, B, and G sharp minor. Bale, ganito po siya. Okay? So, by your love, by your love. Okay, and then again. Tapos, mag-start na po yung verse 1. Okay, F sharp, matchless, nothing in heaven or earth, C sharp. And then, compares to the D sharp minor, grace of the B, Father who loved us first, F sharp. Okay, I'll do it again. F sharp, matchless, nothing on heaven or earth, C sharp. Compared to the D sharp minor, grace of the B, Father who loves us first, and then F sharp. Okay. Second part, F sharp again, boundless, mercy for all who believe, C sharp. Our countless offenses. Yan, dito po mag-iiba ng konti ay offenses, D sharp, and then be forgiven. Kanina, nag-F sharp tayo agad, pero this time, dadaan siya ng G sharp minor, eternal life you give, and then B. And then, pasok na po ng chorus, by your love. Yan, medyo iniiba ko yung strumming pagdating sa chorus ng ganun. Up, down, up. Okay. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Pero pwede rin naman pong ganun din. Or kung gusto niyo pong gawing solemn, okay lang naman po. By your love, solemn, so graciously poured out. Okay. Whichever suits you best. Basta pasok po sa timing. Alright. So let's do it. By your love, so graciously poured out. C sharp, yun po sa redeemed. Ano po siya, no? Dadaan siya ng F sharp over B flat. So ito po. Redeemed us with your blood. Yan. Okay, so mas pinasisimplify ko po siya. Hindi ko na po siya madalas nilalagyan ng ng F sharp over B flat. Okay, pero sa tama po, islagyan po natin, pwede po natin lagyan ng F sharp over B flat. Okay, so it's by your love, F sharp, so graciously poured out, C sharp, redeemed us with your blood. Yun po. Eternal lives are G sharp minor. Then B. That your love, ulit lang po, in our lives overflow, a witness to the world. Ayan po. God, let your church be. Exactly the same thing. Okay, so it's F sharp. Chorus niya po F sharp and then C sharp. So pwede pong lagyan natin ng B flat bago mag B, yung redeem the sweet your blood. Pwede rin naman pong, ako po in my part, hindi ko po siya nilalagyan ng F sharp over B. Medyo pasok pa rin naman po, no? Enter the life sa G sharp. G sharp minor, I mean, and then B. And then, same po pag inulit siya. And then, after po ng chorus, mag-i-intro po ulit ng may kanta, yung By Your Love, By Your Love. Yan. So, 2 times nun, and then papasok na po ng next verse. Selfless, yan. Just as you lovingly serve. Same po. Send us to serve through your spirit. Gospel of Christ be heard. So, kita nyo po yung sa part na yun, no? Yung pag after ng first chorus. Yung verse po niya, parang yung second part ng verse 1, ano? Yung mabilis lang siya, yung selfless, just as the loving we serve, and C sharp. Send us to serve, D sharp minor, your spirit, B, G sharp minor, be heard. And then chorus po agad, by your love, so graciously poured out. Then after po ng chorus, and then again, magkakaroon po siya nung parang intro na by your love. And then, papasok po yung bridge, yung abounding. Ang chords po dun sa bridge is parang yung intro din. Alright? So, abounding, reviving, and that is your love. And abiding, restoring, that is that is your love. Yan. So, ulitin lang po siya 2 times. Pero yung bago mag last chorus po, nag-ano po yan, medyo matagal yung part ng ano, yung abiding, restoring, that is your love. Yung medyo matagal po ng konti, and then papasok po yung chorus, yung by your love. At mahina lang yung pagpasok niya. Sa kanta po, no? Yung sa original song niya, medyo mahina yung medyo after nung bridge. So graciously poured out, redeemed us with your blood. And ulit lang po yun. And then, intro po ulit nung by your love. So, ayun po. 2 beses po ulit nun. And then, that's the whole song. Alright? But if you are in a worship team, okay, nasa worship leader po yun. Kung magkukorus ba siya, magbi-bridge ba siya ulit, or done na. Okay? So, ayun po. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned the song easily. Okay? And if you like the video, kindly subscribe. And yeah, God bless you.